A blessed Sunday, Zimbabwe. As Natemba Mliswa, anofurirwa nemukadzi wake muntaraunda, forgetting he is no longer a soldier. Let us be real. The people of Zimbabwe are the true owners of Zimbabwe National Army, not E.D. Mnangagwa and his greedy Kudatagure. Sadabina mashoko arikubuda panguva ina chibva kuna Kirina Mujati achikanda mafireworks. Aiwa, kune vakomana vanatemba Mliswa panguva inoi vari kudzikisira General VP Kosano Chwenga vachimuti aiwa haasina kana power and anongofurwa nemukadzi. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. TV da pendo Kirina Mujati nendambira chiti. Our soldiers swore an oath to defend the constitution, flag and the people, not to bow down Emerson Mnangagwa or Kudawa Chitagure. The army belongs to Zimbabweans, to every mother, father, youth and worker who carries this nation's hope in their heart. ED must understand one simple truth. Without the people, you are nothing. A king with no cloth. You cannot lead a nation whose hearts no longer follow you. Leadership is earned through respect, not bought with looted wealth. Leadership is not about fear or wealth. It is about the blessings, respect, and loyalty of the people. Since 28 September 2025, after the fake Muliswa corruption exposed, the message from the people has been loud and clear. They chose to stand with Mukanya Chwenga, not with ED. The people chose to stand with the truth, not with corruption. The people chose to stand with those willing to defend the constitution, flag, and the people of Zimbabwe, not with the looters. Looted riches and dirty politics will not defend our destiny. Every Zimbabwean deserves a fair chance, a decent life, and a future built on justice and not fear. The people have spoken. The tide has turned. Zimbabwe belongs to us all, and no one, no matter how powerful, can stop the will of the people. Zimbabweans will not continue to live and build other nations, or at least our own crumbles. It is homeland or death. Tomashoko toka panguva inoi na Kirina Mujati achiti aiwa panguva inoi tinoziva kuti vemauto vanomira nema-citizens, vanodefenda ma-citizens, vanodefenda constitution, vanodefenda our own flag. Mashoko arikuda panguva inoi achiti hakuna munhu anoona aiwa the army. Pinda comment section medu nzemafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pema-attacks ari kunanganiswa kuna Muliswa. Pinda comment section medu nzemafunguro enyu musana subscribe or like, chintu on the bell icon.